Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
Hey guys, in this video I am going to share latest job openings from Rainbow International School located in Satara. As you can see here, they are hiring for pre-primary teachers and primary teachers for English, Mathematics, Environmental Science, Hindi and Computer Science subjects, and also they are looking for a physical education teacher. So to eligible for these positions, you must have post-graduation or graduation with MED or BEd or ECCED or NTT and MDT qualifications, and you should have experience in the similar teaching capacity with good communicational skills. So if you are interested to apply for any of the job role, you can directly walk in on 1st May 2022 from 9:30 am to 3 pm. So the address details are mentioned here, and also you can drop your resume on this mail ID. And if you have any queries regarding this notification, you can reach out to them with the given contact number.
That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.